Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can install Send Files to TV. See this app. Send Files to TV on your TV easily in two ways. I'll tell you. One is installing using your mobile only. No need to touch your TV remote also. Just with your mobile you can install. And the second way is you can install on the TV through the remote. So first I'll tell you with how you can install with the mobile. So open the Play Store, and the first thing is there is one requirement. Your TV and your mobile should be having the same email ID. See here, the Gmail ID on my phone here and the Gmail ID on my TV is the same. That is the only requirement. Now just open the Play Store app here on your mobile, Play Store app, and on the search here just search as Send Files to TV. Simple. Send Files to TV. Okay, as it is already installed on my phone, it is saying that open, but I'll just tap on this name, and here available on more devices, that you need to click on this drop down and see here, click on the TV name here. Actually this is already installed on my TV, that's the reason it is showing as installed. If it is not available on your TV, you will see something like install here, like this button. You just need to click on install and that gets installed on your TV without even touching your TV remote. And the second method is by using your TV remote. Just reach this Play Store, Google Play Store on your TV, on the home page, Play Store, and here navigate to the search bar, and here just use the voice command, Send Files to TV. See, and now it is saying like update, right? You will see install. Just press this button to just install. Now I'll tell you how you can send a video file, a movie or a picture from your mobile to your TV using the Send Files to TV. Okay, I'll demonstrate that also. For that, what you need to do is on your mobile also make sure that you have this Send Files to TV. Okay, once it is installed, just open this Send Files to TV here. As now, okay, I'll just skip this, as I'm sending a file that may be think like video. You need to click on send from your mobile. Okay, send. So it is asking for me. Okay, allow notifications. Okay, I'll be clicking on send here, and here it is asking me to choose which file to send. Okay, meanwhile I'll be just opening this Send Files to TV on my TV, and for now I'll skip this, and I'll be keeping receive mode on my TV, send mode on my phone, receive mode on my TV, and maybe I'll be just choosing camera picture, one picture. Okay, this picture, and this is the TV name. I'll be just tapping on the TV name and succeeded. Now this file has entered my TV. Now where can I get? I need to click on the home here, and if you do have any other file manager on your TV, maybe this is the media manager for me. This is the Thomson TV, okay, Thomson 4K TV. And if you have FX file manager, you can go through FX file manager, but for me the media manager is this one. I'll go to the media management, and I sent a picture here, local, and DCIM thumbnails. No, where is this located? Maybe in the download folder it will be available. See, this is the picture. Just once. Okay, this is the picture what I have sent from this mobile to the TV. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like it, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.